Good morning, I'm Gareth Pendleton, Managing Director of Norwich Bathrooms and Kitchens, and today we are starting this build project near Old Buckenham where we plan to not only fit a new kitchen but also take these two pitched roofs off to then create a single pitched roof with some glass skylights in. Also, as part of the project, we are planning to take out these patio doors, so we're going to put bifold doors. I'm standing where there used to be a conservatory. That's all coming out for a little bit more of a contemporary look. The other patio doors on the left hand side is going to be converted into a window, and that's where the kitchen sink is going to be based, and there are two windows on the side to be blocked up as well.
As you can see, the roofs, the old roof has all come off. We're now about to construct the new roof. We're cutting the hole right through into the main house. Structural steel has got to go in, that's going into dye. Lintel on the back here, and then a pitched roof up to the windows. From the building side, we're nearly at finish actually. Building side will be finished on tomorrow, and then we'll hand over other trades to fulfil their duties as such. So the last week or so we've been doing insulating and plasterboarding inside, and I say that will be done. Just patching up outside, a bit of brickwork to patch up, just finish off the guttering and downpipe. Just got to clean that wall off so it's ready for plastering. And made the utility room, new wall up for that. And we had the electrician here doing his first fix. And yeah, it's gone really well.
Hi, I'm Ed. I've been working with Tony doing building work. We've just fitted this kitchen, or getting near to finishing it, and we've latexed the floor, and we're now installing the flooring.
Let me talk you through some of the fantastic features that we've installed in this kitchen. We've got this absolutely wonderful wine cooler fridge here, beautiful curved base units with the matching curve of the worktop, which then carries over into the island. Of course, we've got the integrated dishwasher here, sitting nicely behind the door so you don't see it. Over here you've got the undermount sink with the drainer grooves built in, and the matching upstand and worktop, so that means any splashes over in the sink side are covered. You don't have to worry about grout and cleaning, things like that. Round here we've got the induction hob, and under here you've got the secret drawer. This is where all the utensils are kept. We've got the built-in cooker hood under here, so it's nicely integrated and it's not standing out. And of course over here you've got the cooking, you've got the absolutely amazing freestanding double door Samsung American style fridge, which is matching in colour to all the other details. Purpose made wine rack in that corner there. Various nice little features and pullouts. So now we find ourselves in the utility room, which is directly off the kitchen. As you can see, we've brought all the colours through to match so that the spaces flow together. We've got this really nice Belfast sink, which is perfect for a utility room area. We've got the pet area, which the owners of the home wanted underneath the countertop there, so those messy things that are sometimes in the kitchen area are nicely tucked away. Two nice little drawers sitting above for bits and bobs. Same countertops, lovely tall storage cupboards, so for all those things that you might want in your kitchen that you normally find on the worktops can come out here and be tucked away and can be brought out into the kitchen when they need to be used. The two spaces really add a lot of value to the home and a really nice place to be in. Let's go outside and show you how different the exterior looks now we've completed the building works. If you recall, it was two pitched roofs, two different extensions from two different times. Now it looks purposeful. It looks like one large modern build on the back of the property. New roof tiles, guttering, special rendering, bifold doors, and of course the three roof lights up there. So as you can see, when you stand at the back of the house now, compared to what it used to look like, it looks absolutely perfect for the rest of the property, and the three windows and this one are all matching. So hopefully you'll agree we've done an incredible job and it's given the property exactly what it needs.